Hello, I'm Deborah and I'm from Accommodation Services. The accommodation is provided over a number of different campuses. Here at City North Campus we have Oscott Gardens, which is all en-suite accommodation, the Copies, and also houses on Oscott Road. At the other side of the city, City South Campus, we have 208 rooms which offer a variety of accommodation. And in addition to that, we have rooms available within the private sector. Once you've applied for your place at university, you then need to apply for your accommodation. This does not happen automatically. You have to do this as a separate issue. First of all, you need to register online that you wish to apply. Once you've done that, you'll receive an email which gives you a 4-digit validation code. You need that code in order to send the application. Complete the application form in full, answering all the questions, and then submit it. Once we've received it, you'll receive another email which will give you a 4-digit reference number, and you can then use that reference number to track your application. If you have any queries and you can't find the answers online, then give the accommodation office a call, and if you quote your student ID number, we'll be able to help you. Your contract is a legally binding contract, and you must make sure you understand it before you sign it, but you must sign it before we allow you to collect your keys. The contracts may vary in length. Our standard contract is for 41 weeks, but those within the private sector may be 43 weeks in duration. And you'll have to pay for that length of contract even though you may not stay in the room for the full length of time. We don't start allocating accommodation until July of each year, so you may have made your application some months before. Once we start allocating, we do prioritise accommodation for international students, but initially you'll only receive a provisional offer. This means we will offer you a room, but we won't actually state where that room will be. Once your place has been confirmed on your course, we will then offer you an actual room, and you'll receive details of the room, which flat it's in, and which house and on which campus. In order to accept that, you need to return the paperwork as requested, along with an advance payment, and this advance payment must be made to secure your accommodation. Once you've then actually arrived, then you'll need to make arrangements to pay the accommodation fees for the academic year. We request payment in 3 instalments, usually in September, January and April. Now you'll normally have to set up a UK bank account to make these payments, and we can help you arrange that once you're here. When you receive your offer of accommodation, you'll also receive details on how to collect your keys and the times at which you can collect them. You need to make sure that you bring with you your room offer letter, as you'll need to show that in order to get your keys. It's also useful to have some form of identification with you. You'll have a passport, so that's perhaps the easiest thing to use. If you come to the university on a pre-sessional course during the summer, your accommodation will be arranged for you at one of the campuses. But this accommodation is not then available for you for the academic year. You will need to apply for accommodation for the September, and you need to do that, as we've explained, online. If there's anything that we've not answered at the moment, then please go to our website. There's lots of information on there about the different halls of residence, all the facilities that are available, and what you will need to bring with you when you come to the UK. Any other questions that we can't answer there, then you can always give us a ring or contact us on our website. I hope you have an enjoyable stay at BCU.